Hi, I'm Brian McMaster. I'm the chiropractor from the Chiropractic Center here at MAC. I wanted to go over the multi-hip, a great piece you can do multiple exercises with, and I want to show you how to make it a little bit more functional. It helps you match the movement on here to what you're doing when you're walking. Okay, so once your foot plate is adjusted so that when you're standing on here and your leg is over the resistance arm, your knee is slightly below that pad. We're going to talk about doing abduction and adduction. Adduction, bringing the knee or the thigh towards the midline, and then abduction, starting at midline and bringing the leg away. Okay, so the typical movement, I like to start facing, feet on either end of the plate, having your body in the midline of the plate. Bring your leg outside of the resistance arm, and your leg apart. You want to start with your foot turned out and your knee straight, and then as you bring it towards the midline, you want to bend the knee and rotate the leg in. Extend and rotate out, bend and rotate in, extend and rotate out, bend and rotate in. Matches what happens with the leg, exaggerates the motion, but matches what happens with the leg when you're walking, the leg in front of you and the leg behind you. Okay, so abduction, put your outer part of your leg on that resistance arm, start at your body midline, stand up tall, engage your core, ribs down, navel to your spine. So your leg is going to be bent and rotated in, and then you're going to extend and rotate out, bend and rotate in, extend and rotate out, bend and rotate in, extend and rotate out. You're not contacting the ground, so you're not needing to use the foot, ankle, arch to manage that rotation. So when it's moving freely, you want to exaggerate that internal and external rotation to get the function. So now we're going to do hip flexion and hip extension. So instead of facing the machine, you turn 90 degrees. Have both feet in the center of the plate. Center of the plate, there's a little plastic dot in this bar here that shows you where the center of your foot should be. And then to work hip flexion, you put your leg behind the resistance arm, and your leg is straight behind you. Stand up as tall as you can, engage your core. Your leg is going to be straight at the knee, and the leg's turning outwards. And then as you bring your leg through, you're going to bend the knee and rotate the leg in. Bring it back, extend and rotate out. Bend and rotate in, extend and rotate out, bend and rotate in. Okay, and then turn around, put your leg in front. Your leg is in front of you, your knee is bent, your leg is rotated in, and then you're going to extend the leg and rotate it out. Bend and rotate in, extend and rotate out, and get resistance for your hip extensors with external rotation. Bend and rotate in, extend and rotate out. And then you would change the resistance arm and do the same 4 exercises from the other side. That's the multi-hip.